Are you okay? Are you okay? Please hurry up. Please hurry up. What are you doing later? What are you doing later? Can you fix this? Can you fix this? I am leaving now. I am leaving now. Do you like this dress? Do you like this dress? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? I am so happy. I am so happy. Let's get started. Let's get started. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? It's time to go. It's time to go. I am going for a run. I am going for a run. Can you help me move? Can you help me move? I am so sorry. I am so sorry. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. What's your email address? What's your email address? Please call me later. Please call me later. Do you like cats? Do you like cats? It's too noisy in here. It's too noisy in here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I forgot my password. I forgot my password. I am feeling better. I am feeling better. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? I need some advice. I need some advice. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Can you drive? Can you drive? I miss you. I miss you. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? I am learning English. I am learning English. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? It's getting late. It's getting late. I need to go home. I need to go home. Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? Can you send me that file? Can you send me that file? I am going to the gym. I am going to the gym. It's very cold outside. It's very cold outside. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Please turn off the TV. Please turn off the TV. I am going to the park. I am going to the park. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. I have a meeting at 10. I have a meeting at 10. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I am very busy today. I am very busy today.